Midnight rain on the windshield line, city fading out behind, radio static low and thin, like it knew the shape I'm in. Hands tight, wrapped around the wheel, trying hard not to feel. Every mile cuts deeper down, empty roads outside this town. Yellow lights and motel signs, running faster than my mind. Somewhere in the roaring dark, something's falling apart. The engine knew before I did that I was never stopping here. Every road I tried to leave pulled me back another year. Headlights burning through the fog like there's something left to prove. The engine knew before I did. There's nothing left to lose. Old gas station, coffee black, another town I won't come back. Leather seats and cigarette smoke, every promise I ever broke. The dashboard glows a tired gold. This car's the only thing I hold. Rear view full of ghosts tonight, still chasing every red tail light. White lines blur beneath the tires, running on bad dreams and fire. No salvation at more town, one more skid. The engine knew before I did.